Chi-Chi is like, what do we have now? Neighbor said she was going to end up moving and not have enough room for all her critters, so I ended up with a rabbit. It's a Lionheads rabbit. Her name is Emma. I think I really am going to start a petting zoo. Emma. She was a little shy at first. She nipped me, but she's been being a little bit nicer since. I've been giving her some Cheerios. I think all little critters like Cheerios. Emma, turn around and look, babe. You're being a good boy, aren't you, Chi-Chi? Emma. She says, where are you going? Emma. Emma. Well, this is the latest furry critter. New family member. I think you got a new friend, Chi. Emma. Oh, you're so pretty. All right. Bye.